Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox. If you've been following us on Facebook, then you know what notebooks we're going to be showing you today. That's right, to celebrate the release of Avengers Infinity War in cinemas, Acer has teamed up with Marvel to give you 3 limited edition laptops. Join us for this unboxing of the Acer Infinity War limited edition notebooks. The unboxing experience for these notebooks definitely offers something very different from what we've come to expect from the brand as of late. Each box holding the notebooks has the emblem of either Iron Man, Captain America, or the Mad Titan himself, Thanos. Open up the lid and you're greeted by a huge Marvel logo, and it almost gives you the same feel as if you were sitting in the cinema after all the trailers have been shown and the movie is about to start. While most laptops we've unboxed come with a cover to help mitigate scratches during transport that usually end up getting discarded in the end, you'll definitely want to hang on to these ones as they give the laptops a nice touch to an otherwise mundane part of opening up the packaging for your new notebook. As for accessories, all 3 come with their respective documentation and power adapters. That's about it. Now let's get up close and personal with the 3 notebooks. First up, let's check out what Captain America has in store for us. This notebook is actually the Aspire 6 that's been given the Cap's signature logo and colorway in blue and silver, without going overboard of course. If you're a fan of Steve Rogers, then you definitely won't mind rocking this laptop at all with a star-spangled trackpad. This Captain America inspired notebook has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display equipped with Acer Comfy View so you can recap all your favorite Avengers movies with minimal eye strain. As for the rest of the specs, you've got an 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and a 1TB hard drive. The laptop also has an Nvidia GeForce MX 150, so you can do a bit of light gaming and editing on this machine as well. It's juiced up by a 48Wh 4-cell battery and runs on Windows 10 Home Edition. This one is definitely shaping up to be a very dependable notebook, just like the Cap himself. Next up is a laptop that's fit for a genius billionaire playboy philanthropist, the Acer Swift 3 Iron Man Edition. This one is definitely hard to miss and a real head turner. True to the color theme of Stark's suit, it comes in a fiery red with gold accents, and if it wasn't enough of a dead giveaway that this was themed after Iron Man, there's also the arc reactor underneath an acrylic panel on the lid too. This limited edition Swift 3 is nice and sleek. It weighs in at 1.6 kilograms and has compact dimensions to make it easier to bring around the city. You've got a 14-inch Full HD IPS display with the same Acer Comfy View tech for watching content. It also has the same 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor as the one found in Cap's notebook, but you have more RAM here at 8GB, plus a 256GB solid state drive for faster boot ups and getting your programs up and running zippier. The Iron Man Swift 3 also has an Nvidia GeForce MX 150, which should help out with productivity and a little bit of play too. Unfortunately, the notebook doesn't run on an arc reactor. Instead, you have a 48Wh battery, which should give you up to 10 hours of battery life, but we'll see what real-world tests say. Last but not least is the Thanos-inspired Acer Nitro 5, and it's definitely the big bad of this notebook line. Compared to the previous notebooks, the lid on this one is a little understated with a few splashes of gold, but the face of the Mad Titan can be seen here too. It's not as loud as the other 2, but still has enough visual oomph to make it stand out from the usual slew of everyday laptops. The Nitro 5 is beefier than the previous notebooks we've featured, weighing in at 2.7 kilograms and is nearly 3 centimeters thick. It'll take a bit of brawn to bring this notebook around the whole day, but it should put in some serious work because of what's inside of it. No Infinity Stones here, just a 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of SSD storage, plus a 1TB hard drive for keeping games, programs, or other media. You've also got a GTX 1050 with 4GB of VRAM in case you want to do a bit of gaming on the go. For the display, you've got a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with the same tech as the other 2 notebooks in the lineup, but you've got audio that's enhanced by Dolby to make movies and games sound a lot better. The notebook runs on a 48Wh battery as well, but we're guessing you'll need to be tethered to a wall for the most part should you want to go on a fracking spree to try and court death in-game. And that's pretty much it for this quick peek at the limited edition Infinity War notebooks from Acer. If you want a more detailed look at each of them, I'll leave a link to the website down below where you can check them out. As for pricing, the SRP of the Captain America Aspire 6 is 54,990 pesos. The Iron Man themed Switch 3 has been given a price tag of $69,999, which is also the same price for the Mad Titans Nitro 5. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and we'll get to them as soon as we can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook as well. This is Jamie, and I'll see you next time.